So we're going to test two fuel injectors here. It's a Mazda Miata fuel injector. This is a genuine used fuel injector by Mazda, and this is a China fuel injector copying this fuel injector here for Mazda. It's a 1600cc fuel injector rated at from what I remember 210cc per minute. This is from a customer, Mazda Miata. The internal resistance is already busted, reading out at mega ohm. We're going to test the flow, so I'm going to power the fuel. So fuel is powered. Pressure is 40 psi. I think we need to increase that to around 46 psi. We'll now test the flow rate. Only these two here. These two. The fuel injector on the left is the genuine OEM fuel injector, and on the right is the China copy. Start. Whoa! Look at that to the right. Look at that one. The one on the right. It's just like flowing straight. It's a straight flow, unlike this one on the left, the OEM one. It's a scattered flow. It's a spray flow here on the left. This one will not promote the better atomization of the air and fuel mixture, since it's just like flowing straight. So that's the bad thing with the China copy fuel injector. As you'll see, the flow rate, as you'll see here, they're almost the same, 200 cc or 210 cc per minute. So we're going to reflow. There you go. As you'll see, this is a scattered spray, and this is the China copy. I don't know if it's just a defective China copy, but I've seen the pintle at the exit point of the fuel injector. They're very different. This one, you'll see just a little hole from the center at the output. Unlike this one, you can see the pintle here. I'll show you the comparison later. Genuine is still better. So I've also cleaned the fuel injectors here. That's why I'm checking the flow rate. So I just reflowed the fuel injectors. That's why the reading is around 400 cc, but factory rated 210 cc per minute. As you'll see, both of them are close, but the China one on the right is not spraying as what I expected. So there you go. We're going to install this fuel injector at the left.